to Acme Electric's Product Information video series. We are excited to bring you a series of videos that will cover everything from basic product information to training and tutorials.
In today's series, we will be demonstrating single-phase buck-boost wiring configurations. This demonstration will follow Figure I in our Acme Electric catalog. First connection. Input 1 to wire H4 to output 1. Second connection, wires H3 and H2. Third connection, wires H1 and X4 to output 2. Fourth connection, wires X3 and X2. Final connection, input 1 to X1.
You can learn more about our buck-boost transformer line by visiting our website at www.hubbell.com/acmeelectric/en, where you will also find our useful buck-boost selector tool. Be sure to visit our resources page and check out our literature section where you can find our buck-boost transformer brochure.